swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich. I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit.
Yo, welcome back to the Litty Gang channel. Y'all already know how we rocking, and it's going down right here. I'm about to drop a hot reaction right here on the Litty Gang channel. And if you rocking with the gang, you know you Ohana. Ohana means family. Yeah, and for the ones who know me in personal, man, y'all know I'm a big YNW Melly fan. And I've been waiting on this video to drop right here. This by YNW Bslime, which is Melly brother. His little brother, you feel me? I've been waiting on this. It's called Slime Dream. And so I'm going to drop a hot reaction to it right now on the Litty Gang channel. Man, for the ones who ain't in tune with my boy YNW Melly, man, I need y'all to comment down below, hashtag free Melly. Real talk. Make sure y'all do that, man. Free that boy Melly, man. He's innocent. He's innocent, man. Real talk. I've been rocking with Melly for a good minute. I've been listening to Melly since I got the GA. Point blank period. Like, he was locked up when he did like a whole bunch of songs. Like that 772 Love. Hey, that was one of my heats. I ain't gonna even lie. Like all that old Melly, that Florida Water. Man, y'all gotta get in tune, man. But man, we gonna get into this video, man. We gonna drop this reaction right now to my boy Bslime, and make sure y'all go run this video up. Go run Slime Dreams up, cause everybody got dreams. Let's get into it.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Shout out to Drew, man, too, man. He fucking with my boy Melly, little brother, while Melly locked up, bro. That's real love and that's real support, bro. I'm rocking with you. I salute you on your journey to the top, man, with this directing, man, because you got a couple 5 videos, bro. Not even a couple. I'm saying all your videos 5, bro. Because all the ones that I watched that you did with YNW Melly, bro. So I know you got the talent. Shout out to him too, man. But let's get back into it.
Young Shad, you killed this track.
Back in my dreams, chilling with your babe, throwing the AK. Back in my...
See what I'm saying? That boy, if Drew didn't film it, then it ain't from right. Bro, this shit like I liked it, how the spaceship, how he on the bed, like everybody have dreams, man. Not only that, I'm feeling this. Yo, Bslime, you know I follow you on Instagram, bro. You know I'm gonna rock with you, bro. I salute you on your way to the top. And you already know we over here screaming free Melly, bro. You already know, man. Let's get back into it.
My dreams is never ever what it seems. Dropping to his face, yeah, that's a scary cat. Pull up to the light, killers dressed in all black. Jumping out of splat, hop out with a Mac. What happens when I die in my dreams? Back in the days, holding Glocks and AKs, you know I know you.
Yo, Bslime, bro, you is so much like your brother. You know what I'm saying? I'm not comparing y'all with each other, bro. What I say about that, so y'all funny, bro. Y'all videos is entertainment. It makes a person want to watch over and over. That's basically what I'm saying, Bslime. Bslime, hey, I'm feeling this, bro. You got that A1 approved, bro. You putting some real thoughts up in this. You got that A1 approved. Yo, Melly, thanks for introducing your brother to the world, man. Real talk. Because if it weren't for you, bro, you wouldn't even know who Bslime is, man. I would salute. Real talk. Free that boy Melly.
You see it in my eyes that I wasn't gonna make it. Older brother thugging, yeah, you taught me all the basics. Don't make it be mama waist, get that earthquake. I know.
Hey, I see he got that little high pitch. That little high pitch like Melly, too. Because y'all remember on that personality with Kanye West. And he hit that little squeaky ass high note. Say you want someone. Yeah, but that boy, hey, okay, I'm feeling your flow, Bslime. I see. You already know. Let's get it.
Ain't no other way, music my only Don't got time to argue and fight. Back in my dreams, chilling with your babe, towing the AK. Back in my dreams, it's never ever one.
I'm gonna take that back. Little homie said he ain't got time for the fussing and the fighting, man. Man, it's 2019. Everybody trying to be something. Don't nobody need nobody holding them back and saying they ain't gonna be able to do this and do that. Or wanna hate on them, wanna try to fight them about a female. Pay that ass, just pay that shit, bro. I'm happy to be me. You know what I'm saying? All these other motherfuckers, bro. I don't care about that, bro. Yo, Bslime, bro. I'm feeling this, bro. I'm gonna have to put this on my daily playlist.
Don't got time to argue and fight. Back in my dreams, chilling with your babe, towing the AK. Back in my dreams, it's never ever what it seems. Dropping to his face, yeah, that's a scary cat. Pull up to the light, killers dressed in all black. Jumping out his black, hop out with a Mac. What happens when I die in my dreams? Little buddy bop up in the wiki with the Glock. No music rolling, heavy metal on your block. 12 when nobody's dropping on the clock. Giffords words hot, dodging death and cops. Melvin, my big brother, so I'm icy. Do it for the money, that's my wifey. And I ain't gonna say.
Oh, me, bro, we gotta take that back. On me. Bro, this is a banger. YW Metal, your brother out here going grits. Oh, God. Bro, I thought you were gonna sing the whole track, bro. You just popped out and, boy, you dropped the melody on us, bro. You did the melody on us, bro. On me. This boy just popped out dropping them bars, nigga. Had me Oh, God, bro. I'm feeling this. I'm taking this back, man. Hey, no lie. Bslime, you came through, bro. You dropped them bars, bro. I'm fucking with you, bro. Real talk. I'm fucking with you, bro. And if y'all fucking with the Litty Game Ohana channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all leave that hashtag in the comment saying free Millie. And yeah, and go rock out with my boy YNW Bslime on that Slime Dreams, man. Real talk, man. Go run that shit up. Bro, Bslime. Big tree top over here, bro. I fucks with you, bro. Let's get it.
With a Mac, what happens when I die in my dreams? Little buddy bop up in the wiki with the Glock. No music rolling, heavy metal on your block. 12 when nobody's dropping on the clock. Giffords words hot, dodging death and cops. Melvin, my big brother, so I'm icy. Do it for the money, that's my wifey. And I ain't gonna say nothing. Grew up in the G, we was grinding in Iceland. You know me. I know. Back in them days, we was in the trap.
Oh, God, this nigga got me hype over here. Man, hey, in my dreams, hey, bro. I'm fucking with this. Hey, little homie, you got that A1 approval. Do you hear me? Bro, I'm standing up, bro. I salute you on your journey to the top, Bslime. You got, hey, bro. Real talk, bro. You got that A1 approved, bro. I'm rocking with you, bro. Yeah, like a cutout stocking, bro. Hey, bro. Oh, you just killed that, bro. You just killed that verse right there. Man, let's get back into it, man.
Trap house, trying to figure out a way. I know how far to go. I know to take it slow, stretching and make it grow. Back in my dreams, chilling with your babe, towing the AK. Back in my dreams, it's never ever what it seems. Dropping to his face, yeah, that's a scary cat. Pull up to the light, killers dressed in all black. Jumping out his black, hop out with a Mac. What happens when I die in my dreams? Back in my dreams, it's never what it ever seems. What happened when I die in my dreams? It's never what it ever seems.
Yo, Bslime, bro. I salute you on your journey to the top, bro. I'm feeling this, I'm loving this. And if y'all rocking with the Litty Game Ohana channel, make sure y'all go to my boy Bslime YouTube channel. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all go run this Slime Dream video up. Yo, if Drew didn't film it, bro, Drew, this is an amazing video. And I know that YNW Melly will be so happy. I know he watching the video right now and telling everybody to run his little brother video up. Yo, Bslime, I salute you, bro. On me, bro. You put your all into this. You got that A1 approval, bro. You turned me up, bro. Hey, you dropped them bars, bro. Hey, Melly, I salute you for putting your brother on, bro. Most folks forget about their folks when they get put on, bro. I salute you, bro. Real talk, Drew, I salute you, bro. Real talk, man. Y'all keep doing y'all thing, man. I wish y'all nothing but the best and never the less. And y'all know the motto, only on the Litty Game channel. Y'all already know how we rock. Stay safe, stay loved, stay humble. Until next time, we out. Litty Game.